This electric peeler is pretty fun to use and does work on potatoes and apples. Just stick the fruit or vegetable on the prongs and it spins while the blade peels off the skin. It comes with extra blades and has built-in storage, which is nice. The non-slip base keeps it steady on the counter while it's working. Works best on round, firm things like potatoes and apples, but struggles with oddly shaped vegetables. This vegetable chopper saves so much time. It cuts vegetables super fast and evenly. Just press down and get perfect diced pieces. The catch tray keeps everything contained and makes cleanup really easy. The blades are sharp and cut through tough vegetables like carrots and potatoes with no problem. The non-slip bottom keeps it steady and the handle is comfortable. It's dishwasher safe and perfect for meal prep when you need lots of chopped veggies. Really speeds up cooking time and makes everything so much easier in the kitchen. This oil sprayer is really handy for cooking. You can either spray a fine mist or pour oil normally, which makes it super versatile. Perfect for air fryer cooking, salads, or grilling when you want just a light coating of oil. The glass bottle looks nice and doesn't hold on to smells like plastic ones do. Each spray gives you a tiny amount of oil, so it helps you use way less than pouring from a regular bottle. It's easy to fill and clean, and the spray nozzle works smoothly most of the time. Sometimes you need to pump it a few times to get a good spray going, but once it's primed, it works great. The glass is sturdy and feels quality made. For anyone trying to cut down on oil or get even coverage on food, this little gadget is definitely worth having in the kitchen.
This chicken shredder is amazing for meal prep. It shreds cooked chicken, pork, and beef in seconds, way faster than using 2 forks. The plastic spikes grab the meat really well, and the clear lid lets you see when it's perfectly shredded. The anti-slip base keeps it steady on the counter, and the handle is comfortable to twist. It's made from food-safe materials that can handle heat up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's totally dishwasher safe. Perfect for making pulled pork, chicken salad, tacos, or shredding meat for pets. Just cook your meat first, cut it into chunks, and twist away. Comes with a cleaning brush and makes shredding so much easier than doing it by hand. This wooden utensil set is gorgeous and works great. The teak wood feels really smooth and high quality, way better than cheap wooden spoons that get rough and splinter. You get 10 different utensils that cover everything you need for cooking: spatulas, spoons, forks, and more. They're perfect for non-stick pans since they won't scratch the surface like metal utensils would. The natural wood grain looks beautiful in any kitchen, and they feel really nice to use. This set is definitely worth it.